Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix personal hotspot not working on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if personal hotspot is not working, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. So first of all guys, we have to make sure that if you are connected with mobile data, and also make sure that you are not on airplane mode. So just simply have to turn on airplane mode and then turn this off, and then try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply have to go to mobile data options and make sure that you have turned off low data modes, then go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to turn off your mobile data at least for 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn it on again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then close this page. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to force restart your devices depending on which model you are using. So usually you can force restart your device by tap and release the volume up button, and then tap and release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button. And after that guys, will be restarted, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply you have to open the settings again, then scroll it down, then tap on general. Also make sure that you have updated your device, then scroll it down a bit. Now from here guys, we have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on reset network setting. Just simply have to put the passcode of your device, and after that guys, tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. So you can delete the network setting by tapping on that, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.